Who's that guy?
Bobby Strings.
That's Bobby Strings. Oh my gosh, look at that dude. He's 7'7" at the tallest point. He's not really 7'7", but his mechanism that goes up there is. Arms and legs extend 8 inches. Arms and legs move up and down. Speaks 6 lines as mouth opens and eyes light up. Bobby Strings. There he is. Look at this side of the box. Pretty cool. And, oh, he's got a story. All right, let's see what his story is. What do you think the story is going to be? No? All right, we'll just read it.
Okay, I'll read it.
Bobby was destined to be in the limelight. His relentless, oh, I can't see. You're silly, dude. His relentless rehearsal routine filled with tap dances and careful ballet movements was bound to pay off eventually. His hard work was finally recognized when a new dance instructor offered to teach him solo choreography after hours. But before he could warm up his legs, he was knocked out cold from behind. The demented instructor strung up his limp body from the rafters and lifted his limbs in an exhausting pattern of twists and piles to the rhythm of a cursed waltz for 6 days straight, transforming a healthy boy into an obedient, pain-ridden puppet. Now he performs in the cruel glow of stage lights across the world as the demented instructor's plaything. Ooh, that's not too good for Bobby, is it? Let's open him. Bobby Strings is done.
Where's the button? Oh, wait.
Yeah, we gotta do that one, but we gotta plug them in first. We got 2 plugs. We gotta plug that one and that one. Okay. Oh, he's ready.
Who's the puppet and who pulls their strings? We'll soon find out when you're asleep tonight. I found some scissors to cut me down from here, and then I'll string you up in my place. Why, it's as simple as that. We'll have so much fun together. At least I will.
See what else he says.
Hey, everyone. Want to hear a song? Let me sing it for you. Oh, I know a naughty child who was so very bad. He ate up all my candy and made me real mad. So when I get free, I'm gonna fix him good. He's gonna thump heads with his block of wood. Haha, let that be a lesson, kids. Don't be a blockhead.
He says 4 more things.
Hi there, kids.
3 more.
I've got a frightening fairy tale to tell you before you go to bed tonight. Once there was a handsome puppet that was so friendly that he gave you a big hug. This made you happy because you're the villain in the fairy tale and nobody likes you. Don't worry, I'll be your friend forever. No strings attached.
2 more.
Oh boy, you finally made it! I pulled some strings to get you here. Please come hang out with me, and I'll loop you in on the disturbing things that we have going on around here. They say a maniac is on the loose, but I wouldn't want to string you along with some awful rumor. But just in case, let me hide behind you.
1 more. Bobby Strings.
Mom, read the bill. Think we have to do it tomorrow.